In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop most Steam VR games from crashing. Let's start by making sure the basics are solid. Physically disconnect and reconnect every cable on your VR headset and link box. Seat the USB and DisplayPort or HDMI connectors firmly, and use the ports on your graphics card rather than the motherboard. If your headset has a power brick, unplug it for a few seconds and plug it back in. A fresh, tight connection clears up a surprising number of random crashes and tracking glitches. Next, open the Steam app and check that Steam VR is fully up to date. In the Steam library, find Steam VR, open Properties, and confirm you're on the latest build. If you're still seeing issues, try opting into the Steam VR Beta in the Betas tab. The beta channel often includes fixes and performance improvements that haven't rolled out to the stable branch yet. If you're using a platform launcher like Oculus software or another vendor's runtime, update that as well. Open its settings and install the newest version. Runtime updates regularly address headset firmware and compatibility problems that can cause games to crash at launch or mid-session. On Windows, a couple of system tweaks can improve stability. Consider turning off hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling if it's enabled, as it can conflict with VR runtimes on some setups. Also review your virtual memory settings and ensure the paging file isn't set too low. Allowing Windows to manage it or allocating a reasonable size can help prevent out-of-memory crashes in heavier titles. Back in Steam, verify the integrity of the game files for any title that's crashing. Right-click the game, choose Properties, go to Installed Files, and run the verification. This replaces corrupted or missing files automatically and is a quick way to fix crashes that appear after an update or a mod removal. Within Steam VR's settings, enable DirectX 11 mode if that option is available in your version. Many VR titles are most stable on DX11, and toggling this helps when crashes happen shortly after launch or while loading into levels. After making these updates and changes, restart your PC. A full reboot ensures drivers, runtimes, and settings reload cleanly so you're testing under the intended configuration. Finally, test your VR setup across a couple of different Steam VR games. Start with something lightweight, then try a more demanding title. If everything runs smoothly, you've likely isolated the issue. If a specific game still crashes, repeat file verification for that title and recheck its per-game settings in Steam VR. Thanks for watching.